This is not clickbait, and in the next few minutes, I'll be giving you everything you need to become profitable. Let's get started. Step 1, go to TradingView and open a paper trading account. I don't care what you think about paper trading, it is essential to your growth. You are a beginner. You should not be going with live money. And also, for your paper trading account, fill it with, if possible, $100, if not, $1,000. The reason for this is you want to be detached from money. You want to think in percentages and not money-wise. And I want you to risk 1% every trade. What does that mean? If you lose a trade, I want you to be only losing 1% of your total balance. So if you have a $100 account, you should only aim to lose $1 a trade and aim to make $2. This helps you be detached from money, which is very important. On to the next step, which is step 2, journal everything. Everything should be journaled. I don't care. Journaling is very, very, very important. You will collect data and it will tell you what you're doing wrong. It will tell you what you're doing correct. It will tell you where you're lacking. Now, I'm not telling you to go in the description and click the link and get my journal. No, just go on Google, find any journal or use a book and a paper, or whatever. Doesn't matter. Just get a journal and absolutely everything, I want you to journal it. Okay? Next step, go on FX Replay. It's free and I want you to abuse it. Now, what is FX Replay? What FX Replay basically is that you can go back in time and paper trade, practice your strategy on any time. For example, you could go on 2017 on Bitcoin and go through the price action and practice. This will help you a lot. There's many people who are against paper trading and backtesting. They're all wrong. Don't listen to them. You are a beginner. You need to practice. So don't listen to them. Go on FX Replay and start backtesting. Collect data and journal every single trade that you take, even here. And when I say journal everything, I mean absolutely everything. What time did you enter? What level did you enter? Were you below a true open or everything? Okay? Journal it. On to the next step. The next step is kind of optional, but if you can get your hands on it, it will help you so much. Get a mentor. Because when you're studying on your own, you're going to make mistakes. And those mistakes can be cut out. They can be filtered out by using the experience of someone who's been in the markets for some time and knows what they're doing. That is very important. Get a mentor if possible. Now, I have a mentorship. I have my own paid content. I'm not going to self-advertise. Who am I kidding? I'm going to self-advertise, okay? The pictures you see on the screen are the profits my students are making. If you want to check it out, the link is either in the comments or in my YouTube bio, because I'm not big enough to put it in the description. Anyway, next step is don't chase money, chase the skill. This is very, very, very important. You are not meant to get rich quickly. You are not going to get rich quickly. That's how the game works. You are not going to ever get rich quickly doing this. So instead, focus on the skill. This skill is way more important than the money. If you master the skill, money will flow in. And that is it. And I hope this helped. And it has been less than 4 minutes. And yeah, enjoy.